Number 6. Toyota Trekker, 1981 to 1983, a pickup that wanted to be an SUV before SUVs even existed. At first glance, it looked like a Toyota Hilux with a shell bolted on the back, but this was no backyard conversion. Toyota partnered with Winnebago to create the Trekker, a half-truck, half-SUV experiment that quietly paved the way for the legendary 4Runner. Under the hood, it carried Toyota's 2.4-liter 22R inline-4, good for about 97 horsepower and 129 pound-feet of torque. Modest numbers, but paired with a 5-speed manual and Toyota's rugged 4-wheel drive system, it was capable of crawling up trails where traditional pickups struggled. 0 to 60 took a sleepy 14 seconds, but speed wasn't the mission. Durability was. The Trekker's fiberglass rear shell turned it into a quasi-SUV with fold-down rear seats and enclosed cargo space. It gave outdoorsy buyers the practicality of a truck bed with the comfort of a wagon. For campers, skiers, and adventure seekers of the early 80s, this was something fresh, yet compromises held it back. Production was limited, build quality varied, and the fiberglass construction was prone to leaks and cracks. By 1984, Toyota took the idea in-house and launched the 4Runner, leaving the Trekker as a rare footnote in off-road history. And just as SUVs started blurring boundaries, Dodge added sporty graphics and lightweight attitude to the humble Ram 50. Number 5. Dodge Ram 50 Sport 1980s. Not every muscle truck had to be big. The Dodge Ram 50 Sport looked like your average compact pickup, the kind you'd expect to see hauling tools or bags of mulch. But tucked under its hood was a surprise that turned this humble workhorse into a genuine sleeper. The Ram 50 wasn't even fully Dodge. It was built by Mitsubishi and rebadged for the US market. In its sport trim, buyers could get the 2.6-liter Astron 4-cylinder, producing about 105 horsepower and 135 pound-feet of torque. Numbers that don't sound huge now, but in a lightweight compact pickup, it meant lively acceleration and playful handling compared to its rivals. And if you were lucky enough to find one of the turbocharged versions that came later, you had a small truck capable of embarrassing bigger V8s off the line. On the outside, the Ram 50 Sport wore bright graphics, a bold stripe package, and rally-inspired wheels. It was Dodge's way of signaling that this wasn't your average grocery getter. Yet underneath all the flash, it still delivered practicality, durable, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain. Its downfall? Limited awareness. Overshadowed by Detroit's bigger trucks and the muscle car craze, the Ram 50 Sport became a forgotten gem of the mini-truck era. The Ram 50 was small but spirited. GMC answered with a flashy Diablo trim that cranked the style dial all the way to 11. Number 4. GMC Caballero Diablo 1980s. A truck, a car, and a dare rolled into one. That was this wild creation. On the surface, it seemed like a simple clone of another, more famous car truck. But look closer, and you'll find quirks that make it one of the strangest pickups of the 1980s. The GMC Caballero Diablo was GMC's answer to the Chevrolet El Camino. Built on the same platform, it offered the same utility meet-style concept, but with a flashier personality. The Diablo trim turned heads with two-tone paint schemes, bold graphics, and options for V8 power under the hood. Depending on the year, you could spec a 5.0-liter or even a 5.7-liter small block V8, delivering around 150 to 180 horsepower and a healthy 240 pound-feet of torque. In a car-based pickup weighing about 3,400 pounds, that meant acceleration in the 8 to 9 second range to 60 miles per hour, plenty quick for the era. But the Caballero Diablo wasn't perfect. Its identity crisis, not quite a truck, not quite a muscle car, left it without a core audience. Farmers found it impractical, muscle fans thought it too soft, and mainstream buyers never even knew it existed. As a result, production numbers stayed low, making it a rare sight today. And that rarity, it's exactly what makes spotting one on the street feel like stumbling across an alternate timeline. If you're loving these forgotten pickups, hit that subscribe button, because the next one on this list is even weirder.